Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. For those who are new, my name is Bank here. On this channel I talk about fashion, beauty, lifestyle and everything in between. You know, we're multifaceted over here. And if you're returning on this channel, hey, welcome back. I haven't created any content in such a long time, I know, but I'm still creating over on Instagram and TikTok. So if you'd like to find me on there, please make sure you do. I'm going to leave all the links that you need somewhere. But yeah, I'm not going to dilly-dally too long. You guys know why we are here. We are talking about the Loewe Paseo bag. I wasn't going to do a YouTube video, but before I made this purchase, I looked high and low to find more information about this bag, and I just couldn't. It was just nowhere. I saw some unboxing, I saw a few people style the bag, but no one really spoke about this bag. I know it's a relatively new bag. It's from the SS23 collection. So I don't expect to find too much out there, but I mean, just a little mention, you know, what it, some. Again, what I'm doing here is I'm not really going to tell you about the pros and cons of the bag. It's new. I'm just unboxing it. I haven't used it, so I really cannot tell you that, but I will try as much as possible to give you some kind of guidance if you're eyeing up this bag, what to expect, and all that kind of good stuff. As we go along in this video, you would see me pop up some pictures, videos, all of that around the screen. I purchased mine in store, so I went to the flagship store in New Bond Street. I wanted to see how the bag would look on me, how it feels. I literally wanted to be able to talk to someone as well. Sometimes when I buy some of my luxury goods, especially when the price is a little bit higher, I would rather do this. And also because I could not find any other information online, it just seemed more sensible for me to take a trip down to the store and do that exercise. Here's the bag. It doesn't come in the white Loewe carrier bag like most do. I know the lady mentioned something about why this carrier is special, but I did not register that information. But yeah, this is what I was given. Before we get into it, I'm just going to tell you what I saw online before I decided to go in store. The Paseo comes in different sizes, so that's one of the indicators for me to kind of see what size would look good with my body frame. I'm 5'2" and a bit. I'm a UK size 10, standard UK size 10. I'm a bit heavier on top than the bottom. You know, all this kind of stuff comes into play when you're choosing a bag that isn't like a regular ship's bag. I mean, you guys have seen a picture of this bag. It's a work of art. It's, you know, it is what it is. So again, I just wanted to see it on me. Also, the Paseo bag comes with two types of straps. So it comes with a leather strap and also the chain strap. I wanted the chain strap. In my head, I was thinking the chain strap in a medium. Again, because I want this bag as an everyday bag for me. And getting to the store, I saw the small and I saw the medium. I tried on the medium, you know, and the medium was a little too big for my frame. I don't know how come, but it just felt a little too big. And then the small was just perfect. Literally, everything came together when I tried the small. I didn't mention this. I was out for a black bag. I wanted a black bag, no other colors. I don't have a proper black bag. I don't buy bags that often, so I think about my bags very thoroughly before I take the plunge. So the bag comes in its dust bag. There's all the little logos on this dust bag, which is super cute. And here it is. It's a black shiny leather. It's calfskin. This is a size small. There's the Loewe logo in front and it's just plain at the back. The chain details goes in all the way around here, around the front and around the back, so it's very sturdy. Opening up the bag, the beautiful details that you'd see as well just on the corner of the zipper here. There's the Loewe logo, which is so cute. It comes with a long strap, so that's the long strap. There's all the tags and certification. It's just a one compartment bag. There is no additional pockets on the inside, but I really do love that on the inside there's also that Loewe little detail in there. I think it's just beautiful. It just really does something for the bag and just makes it very luxe. I'm gonna pop on some videos as well for you to see with this outfit that I've got on, as you can see, with the chain strap across under my arm. Like I said, it's gonna be my everyday bag. So with this outfit, and also as a crossbody with the long leather strap. But all in all, guys, let me know what you think. If you want to see how I wear this every day, find me on Instagram or on TikTok, where I post more everyday content. And if you have any questions, just leave your comment or your question in the box and I will get round to it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you've watched all the way to the end, I hope you found it useful and informative. And if you do get the Paseo bag, I hope you enjoy it. Bye.